play my toys so I can open.
Yeah?
My,
Sabi ko, ay malaki pa yan sa kanya, hindi pa kasi ngayon, medyo maliit na nga eh. Nak, abe? Okay ra ka ginawa pa, nak? Diet din pag may time.
and guys, I can really can put this on. I'll show you how.
Okay. Paminawan ninyo siya, guys, kasi gusto niyang mag-demo.
But you just have to be careful with this.
Wow. Ayan. Good job, ate. Good morning, guys. Welcome back sa channel natin. It's Tuesday morning and the time is 8 o'clock pa pala ng umaga, guys. Alam niyo ba, tulog pa yung mga kiddos. Yung aking human alarm clock ay tumunog 5 something ng umaga. Like 5:10 ng umaga. So, sobrang maaga nagising ni mami niyo. And hindi na ako nakatulog ulit. Si Celine ay bumalik sa pagtulog. Ang kanyang ate Paris ay straight. Alam niyo naman how much she loves her sleep. So, yun. Daddy Mike went to work around 6:30 kaninang umaga. And then, yung ginawa ko na linis-linis konti kasi yun yung bagay na hindi ko nagagawa kapag gising yung dalawa. And then, naglaba. And then, I have some clothes in the dryer as well. Sa ngayon, nire-ready ko lang yung breakfast ni Ate Paris at yung kanyang drink. So, ayan, yung prune juice. Nilagay ko dyan kasi kailangan ko ng 250 ml. So, diba sabi ko sa inyo last time na merong laxative na tinitake si Ate Paris ngayon every single day para mag-help sa kanyang constipation. So, obviously, hindi namin ginagawa kapag nandyan siya kasi hindi niya iinumin. Hindi nga niya iniinom na wala siya nakikitang ganito eh. How much more, diba? So, ito yung ayan, Osmolax Relief. So, 250. I think, yeah, 250 ata. Ayan, 250 ml na drink. Kahit anong drink naman, guys. Like apple juice, orange juice. But, I noticed na mas gusto ni Ate Paris tong, prune juice. So, ito yung kanyang scoop. Yung gagamitin natin is yung maliit. So, punuin nyo lang. Isa, ganyan. Ayan lang yung ginagawa. And then, stir lang siya, guys. Hintayin lang na mag-dissolve. Tapos, ilalagay ko siya ulit dito para hindi niya alam na may nilagay kami sa loob. Nag-send si Daddy Mike sa akin ng message, guys, just now. Sabi niya, "Here, Mama, I love you po." Buang talaga ito ng Daddy Mike, eh. Tingnan niyo. I love you po daw. Tapos, yung picture na yan, guys, ayan. So, doon na kasi siya nag-shower sa, sa work niya. Kasi nag-gym siya, diba? Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang toenails. Excuse my nails pala, guys. Kailangan ko nang magpaano. Tingnan niyo. Siya yung napagdiskitahan ni Ate Paris kagabi. Kasi, binilhan ko si Ate Paris ng yung pangkikay kit niya. Pumunta kami ng shop at alam niyo naman yung Ate Paris natin. Tapos, sila lang dalawa ng daddy niya doon sa, sa couch. Gusto niyang pintahan yung kamay, yung ko. Hindi, so sabi ko, maghuhugas mo na ako ng pinggan, anak. So, yung daddy niya yung nandun. Yung daddy niya ang tingnan niyo. Kulay blue. Kulay blue ang toenails ni Daddy Mike. Wala namang makakakita niyan sa work niya. So, yung ginagawa ko pala ngayon, guys, is nanonood nito. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan. So, food. Actually, nag-roll na yan siya. Hindi na talaga yung original na pinanood ko. So, I've been searching for, yung first baby food. Kasi yung ating baby Celine ay kakain na. So, I do my little research. And you know what's best. Kaya, ayan, YouTube pa more. Someone is awake again. Wait, don't kick Ate now. Don't kick Ate. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Ala, may buhok. May buhok. How was your sleep, sweetheart? How was your sleep? Good morning again. Good morning again. Yes. Is Ate Paris awake or no? Is Ate Paris awake or no? Not yet? Oh, not yet. Okay, wakey na people. Wakey na people. Good morning to you. Hi! Susangisi ang buhok mo rag. Gilayog nga bata! Ha! How's your sleep, Ate Paris? Good? Good! Good! How about Celine? Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Na-drop ko yung konting lang naman nung hinigop ko hindi yung mainit talaga na kape. Yung aking kopi ko kaninang umaga. Don't kick Ate Paris, no. Don't kick Ate Paris. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, very bully to sa kanyang ate, oh. Oh. Big girl? Big girl? What did you say? Celine, don't kick Ate Paris, nak. Don't bully your sister, ha? Ha? Minsan yung buhok. Nay! Salig ka kada ko paglawas mo yan? Salig ka kada ko paglawas?
Kicking parents.
You say it.
How you say?
Celine, stop kicking Ate Paris. Play with this one instead. Ang dalaga ni Mama. Oh, dalaga naman kay kanak ko eh. Do you know what dalaga is, nak?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's dalaga?
It's like me.
I thought you said you know.
What is it?
Hmm?
What's laka?
Dalaga? Dalaga means you're a lady now. You're not a baby anymore.
A lady?
Yes, you're a young lady.
Young.
Yes. You are my young lady.
So you
Me?
look like a lady too.
Oh, yeah? Thank you, my love.
Because grown-ups are what is it?
I don't know.
My voice
Grown-ups are what?
looks like
Looks like what?
you know. What is it?
I don't know what you mean, Ate.
You don't know, like
Looks like what? Lula?
no.
How about you? Are you a lady or you're a big kid? Or what are you?
A lady. My class grown-up looks like a lady.
Grown up looks like a lady, yeah.
Yeah, you.
Me? Yeah, you're a grown up now too. See, you're so beautiful, man.
Do you want to see my height?
Okay, check your heart.
Wait.
Oh, wow! You're so tall!
Let me see.
Look in the mirror. Wala, very messy pa dyan, guys. Oh, hayaan mo muna. Nag-ready na kasi ako ng damit na susuotin ko, guys, para pagkagising nila ay... Hang on.
Whoa!
Okay. Okay, go, stand up. Be? Oh my goodness. You're so tall.
Why do I need to kill myself?
Yung damit nila, niready ko na yun sa kabilang kwarto. Yes,
Look,
ate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17.
17! Ah! You're so tall, 17. Nak, can you just dance like that? That's very nice dancing, you know? Sure, brush your hair. Anak, mura makagi. Ko anak, ay, layog na, ay. Na. Tingnan niyo ang dalawa, oh. Relaxing na lang sila, oh. Lini! Tingnan niyo, guys, naaalir siya dito. You're watching. While Mama is tupi-tupi the clothes. Kasi kahapon pa to, itong unang araw pa nga ito siguro eh.
Wow.
Hindi na tapos-tapos eh.
Did you
Ito talaga ang mom life, guys, oh. So habang nandyan sila, hindi to umiiyak, ay ganyan, para hindi mahulog. Tapos, tupi din pag may time. Ay, para may magawa, guys. Kasi alam niyo, kapag ito sila ay hindi relaxing, good luck. So ilang araw na pala kaming hindi nakapag-vlog. Sobrang na-busy ang peg. Yes, ate. So yesterday, pumunta kami sa baba kasi umuulan. Yes, anak.
Everybody get gumballs.
Gumballs?
Yeah.
Okay, we can have it.
A gumball machine.
Gumball machine. I think that's... Yeah, we can have it, my love. So, sa undercover lang kami kahapon sa baba. Naglaro kami ng tennis ni Ate Paris. And alam niyo ba, sobra akong hiningal, guys. My goodness. Kasi, you know, like, playing with her, running around, and meron akong hinahawakan na ito. At alam niyo bang sobrang bigat na niyan. Tingnan niyo. Paa pala, ulam na. Kaya, yeah. Maglulus talaga tayo ng weight nito. Speaking about weight, alam niyo ba? I can't even remember last time na winay ko yung sarili ko. But this morning was the very first time for the very long time na winay ko yung sarili ko. And at the moment, I am 55 kilograms. And, you know, pretty happy with that weight. You know, we'll get to, 50. Kasi I remember the last time that I weighed myself, that was before Celine, I was 50 something, like 50.5, 51. So, yeah, 55 is not, it's not bad considering that, I only gave birth to baby Celine like 6 months ago. We'll get there, slowly, guys. Kasi alam nyo dito especially dito sa Brisbane, guys, kasi you're moving a lot. Well, not moving a lot, but kahit hindi ka nag-move talaga, you're sweating. So, it helps with the weight loss. I'm not in a rush naman, guys. As long as I'm healthy, that's the main thing. Yun ang pinaka-importante ngayon, yung health. Ate, who are you calling? Good girl, lagi kasi Lynn.
Mommy, mine.
Yes, ate. So, after nito, guys, is i-ready ko na tong mga kids. Kasi, alis tayo. So, meron kaming lakad today. Yun ang nga sabi ko kanina. So, we will go na. Can you guess where we're going? Can you guess where we're going na?
Pharmacy.
No. We're getting that Nutri bullet for baby. Para kay baby Celine kasi, na, baby Celine is going to eat now. Yeah? Ow, 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 ow. So, papakainin ko na to siya, guys. May nakita ako sa, online, na meron daw sa baby bunting yung, actually, first is Target yung nakita ko, but then malayo yung Target dito kumpara sa, sa baby bunting. So, we will go to baby bunting first. Hopefully, they have it in stock. And then, I'm going to start, by tonight or tomorrow, I'm going to start making purees for baby Celine. Super excited, guys. Kasi I think she's ready now. Pag kumakain kami, like, she's looking at the food, she's looking at the spoon. Yung parang nag-open na siya ng kanyang bibig kapag kumakain kami. So, I think she's ready. Kapag may space pa yung car natin, maybe dadalhin ko na lang yung carrier instead of the pram. Kasi gusto ko rin bumili ng high chair. So, we'll see how it goes. Gusto kong pumunta during lunchtime kasi yung baby bunting is close to daddy's work. So, pag nag-lunch break si Daddy Mike, hopefully, hindi siya mag-gym sa lunch break niya at mag-meet kami doon. Hindi ko nga alam anong oras na ba ngayon. So, yun yung plano. And, are you excited to eat, big girl?
Yeah.
Lalo pa to siyang, lalaki kapag kakain na. Hindi naman sa iwiwin ko na siya, no? The breast milk still there. Pero, yeah, introduce ko na yung variety of food sa kanya para maano na siya, para masanay na yung kanyang anong tawag dun, guys? Uy, masanay ng kanyang panglasa sa mga pagkain, vegetable and Nakno? Nabihisan ko na ang isa. Itay na lang siya. Celine! Hi! Are you wearing a dress? Oh, can you see her tooth, guys? Alam niyo ba, binili ko to yung dress na to sa Melbourne. Sabi ko, ay, malaki pa yan sa kanya. Hindi pa Kasi ngayon, medyo maliit na nga eh. Nak, abe? Okay ra ka ginawa pa, nak? Diet din pag may time. diet din pag may time si Lintot. Shh! Psst! Nabira na sa buhok si ate. Uy, kahumanan tada, guys, oh. Walang katapusang pagtutupi, hindi matapos-tapos. Ate, it's your turn na. Come on. We'll get ready. Because Celine is ready na. And then mama can change. And then we can... That's great. Tingnan nyo, meron pang mga, tawag dyan? Mga shining, glimmering sa kanyang mata. Ay, sa eyebrow niya. Kasi nag-eyeshadow man to siya kagabi. No. Did you put eyeshadow on last night?
Yeah.
Okay, ulit na. It's your turn. I'll get you to wear this. Okay?
A few moments later.
It's now 11 o'clock in the morning. And nakapagbihis na si mami niyo. Pero, ang ating baby Celine na naman ang nakatulog. But it's all good as long as nakabihis na si mami niyo. Kasi, pwede ko namang i-carry na lang si Celine papunta na sa sasakyan. So, I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit of the day. Hindi na tayo mag-makeup, guys. Uy, kasi alam niyo, very warm naman. Mag-melt din ng makeup. Hayaan nyo na. So, ito yung ating pa-outfit, guys. So, I've got this white shirt na may charot na Dior dyan. And then, I've got the pink. Tumidilim siya ang ating sprain. Pink na pants. Ay, hindi nyo makita, guys. Ewan ko bakit tumidilim. And then, ayan yung shorts ay pink from Zara. So, ayan. Maganda siya tingnan, guys. Parang, tweed na material. And I'll show you Ate Paris' outfit. Show Mami. Show Mami. Show Mami. You're still sleeping? Okay, stand up there, baby. Mama, show Mama. Wow. What are you wearing, Paris?
A butterfly dress.
A a red butterfly top. And sabi ng mama ko, sa video call kami ng mama ko, kaya sabi niya, Paris, naka-tatter jeans. Sabi ko, naka-okay ma. Diba normally yung sa Pilipinas ba, naka-okay yung ganyan. Tingnan nyo. Tulong ko. Yes, honey.
I want pencil.
You want pencil? Okay, we'll have to find your pencil. We have to go now, nak. Daddy is waiting for us, nak. Dito, bakit doon ako nag-ano kanina, guys? Dapat dito ako nag-ano. Ayan. So, ganyan pala para clear na clear ang ating pa-outfit.
Mine?
Hmm?
I want to have a look at toys, mine.
Well, have a look here first, honey. For our house. Okay?
My toys left and open.
Yeah? First is like...
Ah, yeah.
And there's a mystery.
Is that, are you getting that on?
Because that's all mama can afford.
Because mine got $3. But this is $3. See over here?
Ah, yeah.
It's $3. But mine got $3. Mine has wallet.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
That is taking out stuff from the boot. Kanina pa kami nakauwi pero hindi ko to siya nadala sa taas. Impossible. Impossible with these two kids. Okay, just put it in the paper bag. Okay, hold it. So, ipakita namin sa inyo guys pag punta namin sa taas. Yung mga napamili kanina. Ayan. Kakauwi lang ni Daddy Mike kasi na nyo nakabag
Hands
pa.
are full, Mum.
Honey, get the black one.
Oh, this?
Whoa, itchy.
You can always come back, Daddy. You aren't able to carry everything anyways.
Mommy, my legs are hurting because I went to the grass.
Be careful. Yan yung mga napamili kanina, guys.
And guys,
So, in-style namin itong ladder na ite.
I just really got this one.
Yeah.
The kitty makeup. Box, love, sticker.
You get a lot.
Yeah, I do. I'll show you.
Ayan.
This is
So, yung ano na yan, yung deer na yan, nabili ko yan sa Facebook Marketplace, diba? But this
I
one,
love her for the bag.
the barko.
Mine.
How much was that one, Bob?
Which one?
Mommy.
The ship.
Mommy.
About 70?
Mommy.
70?
Mine.
Yes, my love.
And I just got lockers, stickers, and our stickers are circle.
You got a lot. Paris.
These,
Very spoiled girl.
there's pink, blue.
Tapos yung plant na yan, yung peke na plant na yan, that's $16, I think. In yung picture. We'll leave that there. Wala pa si baby sila yan. Nasa itlog pa ng kanyang tatay. There's more in there. So, ito yung binili na high chair for baby Celine. So, tingnan nyo. Ito. Wow. Okay. Ito yung mga frames na napili namin. So, kumuha kami ng 3.
Like I said, Mum.
Kasi ito sila, mga old na to sila na frames, guys. It doesn't look that nice. Ayan, picture.
No.
Huh?
Are you angry at guys?
No.
Do you think so?
I don't know. if you are hungry.
But if she is,
Mine.
What if I'm angry with your daddy?
don't be angry at daddy.
What are you gonna do?
Okay.
Say
Paris.
Say don't be angry at daddy if you are.
What if I'm angry with your daddy? What are you gonna do?
Don't be angry at daddy, okay?
Why not?
Because it's my daddy.
And
Because I love you, because I love you.
and what?
No, I love you.
Because I love you.
So, I told you about I want my plants.
Sila itong mga old na ang tawag ito, old na frames. And yeah, we'll get new photos guys kasi ito sila. Dalaga at ulitaw pa kami nito.
I want my... Mommy, I told you I want my hanging plants.
Yeah, where are you gonna put the hanging one?
Huh?
Probably that corner there where the thing is.
Yeah. I want one there.
So ito sila guys, nabili ito sila from Eureka Street Furniture. Ayan. Ang gaganda nila guys, sobrang tingnan ba? Nakaka-refresh sa mata. And then, ano pa ba? Okay. So, from Baby Bunting. So, diba, naghahanda nga tayo para sa exciting day, exciting moment ng ating baby Celine. So, got this one, the Nutri Bullet Baby. So, blender siya, pero pang baby. Ayan, tapos meron pa siyang kasamang mga storage. Ayan, pag marami kang ginawa ba. Cookies.
Oh, yeah, cool.
But I forgot the other ones in the car.
Tingnan nyo, Stage 1, 6 to 8 months. From fine purees to hearty mashes. Our system is equipped to create food for every stage of development.
This one, the grown-up one.
Perfect. So excited to use that one.
Like the same. Look, see?
And then, ito.
What's her name? What's his?
Munchkin, stay put, suction plate.
I don't know.
Bob.
And then this,
Mine.
Gentle scoop.
Mine. His name is Bob.
Bob. Oh yeah. Oh, you got it now. Huh. Ito yung spoon. Sobrang liit niya.
Mine.
And
I
then,
like this one.
oh, good job ate.
Oh, I
This
love
one,
it.
ang kanyang high chair. Para sa pagkain niya.
Place and see what happens.
The what?
This is still in the dark, so I want to see what happens.
This one.
Look at Winnie's huge
Yeah.
behind.
It
Super
lights
nice.
in the sky, and it's lights
First time in a high chair. Lini!
Don't let her eat that, honey.
Don't give her little things, anak.
come.
Hey, have a look at Celine first. Have a look. Don't you think she's so cute?
Yeah, he looks cute. I want to show you something. Come.
Okay. Hang on.
I'll take a sip to find something.
Lini! Baby! It's super cute man ang baby. Are you ready for your food tomorrow? Ang maganda dito sa kanyang high chair na to guys is pwede mo siyang ganun-ganun tulak-tulak ba? Kasi wheels on the bus. Yes ate.
Can you please come over there?
Pwede mo siyang malak. Then kung ayaw mong mag-move, tingnan mo. Nice. Very lovely. Ayan. Lahat ng paa, merong lock. Hi, Missy! Hi, Missy! Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl now? Say thank you, Dida. You wanna say thank you to Daddy? Ha? Oh, maganda kayo. Merong cushion ba, oh? Medyo maliit pa talaga sa kanya. Ay, malaki pa sa kanya. But, hindi pa naman siya kumakain ng sarili niya, diba? So, I spoon feed her. She'll be cool. Good job, my love.
What's going on?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the shop. What's the time? What's the time? We're gonna go for a walk to the shop to get your nappy.
I'll play with Paris.
Okay?
Is that for your eyeshadow, right?
Ate Paris will play with Daddy. Bowling.
Yeah, bunny. It's a bunny. You can choose a color. There's
Here
black
you go, sweetie.
and blue. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Late now, guys. Ngayon lang nakapag-vlog ulit si Mami.
And guys, we're just gonna do.
Straight talaga
We're
yun sa Ate
just gonna
Paris.
see what's in these new things, but we're gonna show you something really cool. But I'm
Tulog na
going
si... Where's Celine, honey?
to Daddy and Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy and Baby Celine.
And
Tulogs na.
my own.
Pagkita sa nato na. So, inopen na pala ni Ate Paris, guys.
see.
Ayan.
My own hole. I'll just
There's
put it.
more.
Bye.
Ganda ng kulay, guys. Super nice.
But this one is not
Dito mo
really
i-store ang mga...
But this one is really cool, but I like it.
See?
Whoa, I
I
want
can't
it.
wait to start using them. And yeah, super excited for tomorrow, guys, for
But
babysitting.
I can really see something so tight. Wait,
Super cute. Liit talaga. Alam man, from baby nga, di ba?
you're so late.
Mm.
My hair's so
Tapos kanina, before kami nag-dinner, naglakad kami ni Baby Celine papuntang
Mike,
shops
give me this.
while Daddy Mike
Mike,
was
give me
cooking
that.
dinner.
Mike, can you get that?
Bumili kami ng mga
Mike, can
kailanganin.
you
And
get that?
super lapit lang, guys, kaya very...
And guys, I can really can put this on. I'll show you how.
Okay. Paminawan ninyo siya, guys, kasi gusto niyang mag-demo.
But you just have to be careful with this.
Wow. Ayan. Good job, ate.
Ma, what's this for?
Put it back because we're going to use it tomorrow. You have to wash it.
So guys, it's really cool, but I got this toy.
Of course, toy.
But I'm gonna show you what's inside it.
I
Wow.
might wash this one now. Para bukas,
So
ready na to siya.
cute. Look what we got.
Gusto natin ipakain
What's
si
in the car? Guys,
Nag-change kami ng camera kasi ang ating
so we just find something
memory card full na.
really cool, but I know what's
Honey,
in
do
it.
you want siya? Dito, dito. Mapiga ka na siya.
Yeah.
Okay. Kita namin sa inyo quickly yung binili namin ni Baby Celine.
Yep, but we're just having a look at something really cool, but I know my
So ito talaga yung main reason, guys. Natin. Yes, okay.
is in that room.
Sure na what we got here.
Okay.
Because we are going to bed soon.
Now I just really got something really cool here. It's really cute. This kitty cat.
Ikaw ba siya?
Okay.
Sige lang kanina.
Now I'm gonna show you what's in here.
Gusto niya talaga ipakita, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Look, so cute.
So cute.
And this is where her locker. So beautiful. It's heart.
Oh, is it tape?
Yeah, so hard.
Anyways, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope you enjoy.
And
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
careful, bye.